One of the greatest things about Rothy's and kind of the way that we've set ourselves up in China is that we own and operate our own factory, which allows us to really control the quality and the output that we see from the factory. But it also allows us to kind of reimagine what a traditional timeline looks like for the actual shoe development, commercialization, and production process. The whole process starts in our design and our product office in San Francisco. So we have a group of designers and CADers that basically create the original rendering for the shoe and how we want the shoe to look. And they actually pre-program in the knit structure that is then translated to the factory to begin the prototyping process. The great thing about 3D knitting is obviously from a waste perspective, we essentially eliminate all of the excess waste that is created in traditional shoemaking. Most shoes are made by cutting dies on a leather hide, so you imagine like a cookie cutter cutting out all of these pieces and then the dough that's left. Those are leather scraps that then go back into a landfill. We decided to take outsole manufacturing in-house, and this is one of those things that even companies that own their own factories outsource this because mold engineering and production is an extremely technical skill. This is something that the workers will study 4 years in college and then apprentice and then really take years and years to master this. So we're doing injection molding in our facility. And the cool thing about that, we also have not just like easier timelines and costs, but we also are able to take all of our scraps and regrind it and melt it back into a material so we can re-inject that. So kind of throughout any process of shoemaking at our factory, we try to be very mindful of any waste that is produced and completely reuse that and put it back into the shoes. It occurred to us very early on in the process that there was no need to ship a box in a box, so why not just build that one box that is durable and can handle the shipping process, the fulfillment process from the warehouse to the customer, and essentially cut that waste in half. I think that was something that it was so obvious once we saw it and understood what the impact was. So I think just looking at all of those different places where a company or a brand could be making an easy change such as that would, put us in such a greater position in the industry